So this is a video to show the defect in the clock here, and also to show how to fix the problem. So the problem in this clocks is that two things. Sometimes the gear doesn't end up to 12 o'clock. So as we can see, when we open the watch, it's not a setup at 12 o'clock. So first we need to make sure that the clock is set at 12 o'clock. And also the second problem is that the hands are very loose. So when it's on the travel, the hands are moving and they are not staying. So two things we're going to do here. First is we're going to set the clock to 12 o'clock to the right gear, and also to make sure that we tighten the hands over here. So I'm just going to pause the video. Before I pause the video, I will show you quickly that we have to remove these two screws, take out the pad here, the cardboard, and then put the battery and put the test clock on test. So we're going to do that. I'm just going to pause it now, and then once I open the screws I will show. So the pad is out now. We're going to remove the clips here quickly. So we're going to remove 3 clips here, and then we're going to put the battery here. So make sure the battery goes in the plus sign. You put the battery and you put the clock on the testing mode. So we're going to count till 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then we stop that, and the watch is supposed to be on the testing mode. So now we can take it out, leave the glass on the side safely, and just wait for the clock to come back into the right gear. So once it's on the right gear, we're going to put in the pin at the back and put a sellotape on the pin to make sure that the pin doesn't move. So as you can see, now it's on the setting mode, so it's gonna come to a certain position and then stop it. This is when we will put the pin inside. So I'll just stop the video for now. Okay, so we can see now that the clock has stopped, but however it's not set to 12 o'clock exactly, which is where the difference is, which is a huge difference. So what we're going to do now is we're going to put the pin inside. So at the moment the gear is set, but the time is not set. So we will put the pin inside first, then we're going to sellotape it. So then we have to sellotape it. So sellotape it as hard as possible, and then you take out the battery from here so the pin doesn't move back. We're going to hold the pin as well while we are setting that, but still it's better to sellotape. And now we're going to remove the handles. So I'll remove these 3 handles, 3 hands, and then resume the video. Okay, so now I'm removing the hands from here. You have to be very careful when you take this out, because they can break sometimes and bend as well. So you have to remove them very carefully once they are out. The reason we are taking this out is because they are loose, so we're going to tighten them a little bit. Also be careful not to tie too much there, because otherwise the hands will stop moving as well. So we can tighten the minute hands as well, and we can't tighten this one because this one is just a second hand. So we're going to put the hourly hand first. Again, make sure that the pin is still stick at the back, so that should be sellotaped and stick at the back. Put it back. The minute hand, make sure it's on the right direction as well. And then you put the inside, and now we have to make sure that we hold the pin at the back and set the time here perfectly. So first make sure that the slots are in properly, and then move. If the second hand is not fit properly, you can remove it again and then fix it back again. I'm just going to do that and resume the video after that. Okay, so I've fixed the hands. As we can see, the time is exact 12 o'clock now. So what we're going to do now is test it again, but before that we can just put the battery in. and then make sure everything is right, and then remove the sellotape with the things there, and you can see it's moving now. Okay, there's some problem. Okay, so we can see that it's moving now. So what we're going to do is we're going to put it on the reset mode. So just put it on the reset mode. And then wait for the hands to move. Okay, so just to show quickly that the hands are moving now and the clock is on the reset mode. Just want to show again that the clock is still resetting. It will soon stop, hopefully at the right time. So we'll just check when it's going to stop and if the gear is set properly or not. Okay, so the clock is soon stopping to the right position, and the gear is set on the right position as well. So it's sharp at 12 o'clock. So what we're going to do is we're just going to pack the watch. So I'll resume it once I am just going to put it inside. So first what we do is, before we put inside, actually I'll not stop the video, I'll just continue. So we'll just put this here, make sure the glass is at the right position, and then put the watch inside. As soon as you put the watch inside, make sure you take out the battery. So I've taken out the battery. Now we're going to just clip it safely, and then just going to check the time again. Okay, so it's perfectly 12 o'clock, and the gear is set, the hands are set as well, and it's perfect watch now to work. So just clip around, put the bolt and screw it in. That's it.